Friends, in today's video we'll see how to bring our favorite emojis into Excel. For that, first we have to click on Windows ! The time you'll get this pop-up, so that I will enter one by one emojis into Excel. I'll select. Friends, now I have updated all these emojis into a single cell, but I need all these emojis into different cells. For that, first I will copy paste one by one below. Now I will give some names to these emojis. I will just create a drop down for these names. Now you can see all the names has come in this drop down. I'll select Suresh, and now here I will give a VLOOKUP formula. This is our lookup value. Select these two columns. 2, we need the emoji here. 0, enter. Now friends, you can increase the font size. Now you can select whatever name you want, so that even the emoji will change as per the names what you are changing in the drop down. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.